Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for December 2021.
Is it mysterious?
No, I know what's in it.
It's mysterious to me.
Okay, because they tell you what's in it before
Yeah, that's true.
they send it out to you. And you get to pick 3 items for your bag. And like I said, I don't know how much I've said for my BoxyCharms and stuff. They've been messing with the prices so much that I don't know what it costs right now. But I'll leave a link down below to Ipsy.com if you are interested in checking out Ipsy. They have a Glam Bag and a Glam Bag Plus and Glam Bag X, which I get all 3.
Is Glam Bag X the top ranked one there?
Yeah, that comes, it doesn't actually come in a box. It doesn't come in a bag, it actually comes in a box.
It should be called Glam Box X then.
I know. So, hello, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer, and this is my husband Aaron, who has decided to join me today. He is off work right now, but he usually joins me on the weekends. And on my channel, I do unboxings, I do general makeup stuff, and per my channel name, I do talk about agoraphobic stuff and mental health. So if you're interested in any of those topics, or what?
No.
Or say you're
I'm just being attentive.
Well, look there. Or if you're interested in all of those topics, then I highly suggest you hit subscribe and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video.
See, I'm going like, yes, very wise, yes.
So, if you are into seeing what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, it's hard for me to say that.
Shiny bag with stars.
Then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, this is for the month of December 2021, and this is what the bag looks like. You know what I'm going to do this time? Since we're always so blown out, I am going to lower the lights so y'all can see the product. This is what the bag looks like. It has little stars on it. It reminds me more of a New Year's type bag than a Christmas bag. I thought the November bag looked more Christmassy than this. I didn't get the Glam Bag Plus because I got the Glam Bag X. Okay, let's see.
So many bags.
'Tis the season to treat yourself.
Treat yourself.
This is time to shine.
Ooh.
Do you want to see what it says?
Sure. Sparkling, shimmering, totally unforgettable. This month, wrap yourself in silver and gold beauty looks. Get your skin glowing and share your light inside and out with the ones you love.
What does it say on the inside?
2022 beauty horoscopes. Oh, let's do our. Well, it doesn't have the things on there. Let's see. Do you remember what ones we are?
I'm a Gemini.
You're a Gemini. And I'm a
Sagittarius.
Sagittarius, okay. Oh, hey. Sagittarius. Wear something you think is wild and become the trendsetter you are. Oh, yeah, I'm down with that. So what's yours?
Gemini.
Sometimes less is more. Fall in love with the beauty of natural looks. You are naturally beautiful.
So, I'm natural, and you're supposed to go wild.
Yeah.
So it doesn't say anything about the products.
Nope. Not in there.
Okay.
I'm having some sort of ultimate cash countdown on Instagram.
Okay. The first thing I got is a palette, I think. It says Miami Nights by Shanna Beer.
In the big city.
that color protector. And it's got,
What is that embossing thing?
I don't know. It's like all mattes and one glitter.
Ooh. Should flip it, be all glitter in one matte.
Oh, there's two shimmers.
Queen of Diamonds.
There's two shimmers. And I don't know if this is a shimmer or not. I have a hard time telling. It could be that these are all shimmers and these are all...
There's some interesting ones. That Lincoln Red looks pretty cool.
Yeah. So that's a nice palette.
Yeah.
I picked this one out.
Good choice. Well done. Way to go.
I'm not adverse to a glitter. Like that. I'll put it back in here. Okay.
What's up next in the mystery sparkly bag that's not a mystery to you, but it is to me?
This didn't come in a
some
box.
sort of miracle fluid.
I don't know why this didn't come in a box.
Gotta work for it. You gotta want it. Gotta get in there.
Stop it. Clarity. Okay, can you read it?
Ooh. Clarity. Clarity. Daily dose of water.
What?
You should get that anyway, though, right? It should be more than this, I'm thinking. Daily dose of water, TM. Hyaluronic acid hydrating serum. Instantly boost hydration. 1 fluid ounce. And it says 3. So I suppose that's third in some sort of a sequence of things that you're supposed to do.
Lovely.
So you put it on your face. Put the drops on your face and you rub it all around.
So it's a hydrating serum. And this is something they picked out for me.
Clarity.
They picked this for me. Because I don't need any more serums. This is the other thing they picked for me. And it is a peptide for eye recovering cream.
Oh. Reviving eye cream. Crème revigorante pour les yeux. For tired, overworked eyes. Revives, brightens, hydrates. This skin synchronizing eye cream transforms the appearance of tired and overworked eyes. Help deliver younger looking eyes around the clock. Dark shadows and puffiness appear reduced. Lightly apply to eye contour area. Avoid direct contact with eyes. Do not put straight in your eyeball. Okay?
Does it say that?
It says avoid direct contact with eyes, yes. And if that happens, then rinse it out. Your eyes would be like this. And then your eyes are like...
Okay, so the other two are things I picked out. One is the Translucent Beauty
Just luce.
Intenso
Translucent.
Liner Duo.
Liner duo.
In Fuerte and
Accomplished.
Accomplished. So, one's in this brown color or...
Window of color.
World of color.
That's what it says.
Oh, it's kind of coppery, actually.
Huh. Creamy and smudgy.
I broke the...
Not resistant to that. Smudge resistant, but not break resistant. Did it glide on gently and deliver intense color?
Oh, it's all over my fingers.
Then I guess that's a yes. Glide gently all over your fingers.
Anyways, that's that color. It is very creamy. And then there's the black.
It says, no poke-vous in su eyeballs.
Oh, it's on my finger too. And the last thing I have is from Uma Beauty. It is a matte lipstick.
Badass.
Badass icon.
Iconic badass. It's like Girl Boss, but more violent.
It's not coming out.
You gotta be a badass just to get it out of there.
I think I just...
You gotta fight it. You gotta want it. Get it.
Okay.
You got the lid. You're halfway there.
Okay. It comes in this matte color.
Take all the punishments you can dish out.
I like it.
Do you think it would make you feel like a badass?
I don't know about that. A badass does
wait.
not talk about being a badass.
Oh, okay.
So there you go.
Well, I already ruined it then. Oh well. My hope of badassery is gone. Be a good ass. Or a smart ass, that's still open.
Yeah, you're more of a smart ass.
Yeah. Where's the lipstick for that one?
So, okay, I like this better than my BoxyCharm. I would say that. If I was doing a head-to-head video, I would definitely pick this over my BoxyCharm.
You know, bring the house lights back up. There we go.
Oh. So, in my bag, I got the Elmer's Peptide 4 Eye Recovery Cream.
Use that to help your eyes recover after you get the other stuff in your eyes.
The Uma Beauty lipstick. The Translucent to... Translucent. No, it is not. It is a Spanish.
I don't care, I like my version better.
So it's Translucent.
Cheluche for your eyeballs be your
It's not an Italian.
Bellissima.
The clarity. Okay, you're just like offended. A whole nation of people.
Cancelled.
Okay.
Well, I didn't say anything bad about him. I'm just doing a bad Italian accent.
The clarity.
Imitation is the sincerest form of flattery.
Hydraulic acid, hydrating serum, and the Miami Lights Chanabia palette. I think I did pretty good at picking, and of course they pick out two skincare things for me.
Of course.
Okay, be sure to watch my collab coming up next week on, I believe it's December 27th or 28th, and I will be doing a collab with a bunch of lovely ladies. We will be doing a New Year's Eve glam look, and I will be filming my look tomorrow. But,
okay. Is that information they need to know?
no. But I will
You're
be...
just confusing everybody.
I will be posting it on the 27th, I believe. If that's wrong, I will put it down here.
We actually posted this one yesterday.
And I will be doing a giveaway in mine. So be on the lookout for that. And have a happy holidays, because this will probably be the last video that I film before Christmas. And I will be filming some more after Christmas, before the new year. But, yeah, Merry Christmas to those of you who celebrate.
Happy various holidays.
Yeah. And, okay, I hope you are having a fantastic day today, and hope that everybody is having a fantastic day today, and sending you out good vibes to those of you who need them, and
Holiday vibes.
we will see you in our next video. Okay, alright, goodbye.
Bye.